Hey traders, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to talk about selling an Iron Condor in ticker symbol GLD, which is the gold ETF. And we're going to explain why that's the best strategy to use right now in this market condition and how you can collect monthly income month after month in 2025, whether the stock price stays in a range or moves up a little or moves down a little. You're still going to be able to collect that monthly income. So whether you're a seasoned trader or a beginner, stay tuned, buckle up, and get ready to learn how to make some profits. Before we get started, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button down below. And remember, download the free options workshop in the link below as well. It talks about the two main benefits of trading options over buying stocks. An Iron Condor is a neutral option trading strategy. To sell an Iron Condor, we want to sell a put credit spread and collect premium, and then also sell a call credit spread on the upside and collect additional premium. So we sell a out of the money put option and we buy a further out of the money put, and we sell an out of the money call option and buy a further out of the money call option for protection. This strategy is best put on in high volatility, and then we look for a volatility contraction or minimal price movement. By doing this, we're able to collect higher option premiums. The elevated volatility increases the option prices, allowing traders to collect more premium up front. We also have a wider profit range. High implied volatility expands the expected trading range, giving the strategy more room to succeed. And there's the potential of a volatility contraction when we put it on in high volatility. If volatility decreases, it can benefit the position as option prices decline. The max profit is limited to the net premium received, while the risk is capped by the long options. Ideally, all options expire worthless if the underlying asset's price remains between the short put and the short call strikes at expiration. Guys, over the last 3 months, gold has been trading in a 20-point range from about 237 to 257, and that's a pretty tight range. That's going to allow us to sell an Iron Condor in high implied volatility and collect good premium. Selecting the correct strike prices as well as the correct expiration date is crucial for profiting with Iron Condors. So, to outline it, we want to sell the short call at approximately the 25 to 30 delta. And we want to buy the long call that's $10 higher than the short call. So I go $10 wide in my Iron Condors on GLD. And on the put side, we want to sell the short put at approximately the 25 to 30 delta as well, and then buy the long put about $10 lower. I found that the optimal time to expiration, or DTE, days to expiration, is about 30 to 45 days. Now, this gives sufficient time for the strategy to benefit from the theta decay or the time decay, and it also gives enough duration to allow for potential adjustments if needed. 30 to 45 days typically offer a good balance of premium and time for the trade to work. All right, guys, we're going to jump right into a trade on the option trading platform. However, if you want to receive a copy of the free option strategy trading guide, comment options guide down below and I'll send you the link. Okay, guys, let's show how to sell an Iron Condor in ticker symbol GLD. We're going to punch it right here in the upper left on the Tasty Trade option trading platform. There's a link down below. Great option trading platform, and there's some benefits if you go through my link. Also utilize Moo, so check that one out as well. So we punch in GLD, and then I'm going to go closest to 45 days, which is 56 days. So we're going to go out to February right now and open up that option chain. We're on the table mode and trade page, so we would click on that to open up February. However, first I want to point out on the chart. Here's a chart, and I've got it set to 3 months here. But here's where we're going to place our short strikes, the 235 and the 255. And look at this range. It's been trading within that range for the last 3 months, and it's right in the middle of the RSI. And IV rank is good at 47. So that's the reason we're trading GLD. February, we open it up, and then we said 235, which is the 28 delta right here. So we're going to click on the sell on the put side right here. That's right here. And then we're going to go $10 lower. So that would be the 225. And click on the buy, the ask. And that's a 62-cent cost. And we're collecting here mid price between 215 and 220. So we're collecting $1.57, which one option contract controls 100 shares of stock. So that's $157. So our max loss is $842 because it's $10 wide. And you can see the profit range right here. If we go to curve mode, analysis, you can see anything down below the 235 minus $1.58 is the break even. The $10 minus the credit collected. So this is just one side. Now we're going to place one on the call side because we want it to stay within that range. So let's go back to table mode. And then we said the 255, which is way out here at the 20 delta. Wow, we can really go wide. We'll collect $1.59 and then 259. Let's go 265. And we can collect $259 for this. And that's huge. You know what? I may even go, let's see. Do I want to? Yeah, I'm thinking maybe go around 250. Let's see if we can collect more premium. So let's move that in. Let's go to 252, 260. 250, 260 gives us 330. That's a third the width of the strike. $330. I'm gonna go for that. Go to curve mode, and you can check out the range that we've got. Profitable here up to here. So 253 to 232 and 232. Wow. Way down here, and then 253 way up here. So we're in good range. I think this is a great trade. We're going to hit review and send and place the trade. Guys, just a couple more things I wanted to touch on before we end the video. Managing risk and position size. So you want to limit your risk per trade to maybe 1 to 3% of your total account value. And you calculate the maximum loss per spread by taking the width of the spread minus the credit received. So as we saw with the $10 wide spread, you can't lose on both sides. And if we're collecting $300, our max loss is $700. So for example, if we have a $100,000 account and we want to stay within that 2 to 3% risk tolerance, we want to have a maximum of maybe 3 to 4 of these Iron Condor trades on at any one time, and we don't have to put them all on at once. The stock price moves, so space them out. Do one a week, and keep 3 or 4 on at all times as long as that IVR is high. Last thing, if the stock price moves and test one side of the Iron Condor. For instance, if it moves up and tests the short call, what we can do is roll the entire put credit spread up and cut the deltas in half. So we'll keep an eye on this trade, and I'll do another video. If you'd like to see how to manage the Iron Condor, if it does make that move, put a comment down below and we'll cover that one as well. My bad. I thought it was the last thing, but there's one more last thing. A lot of people like to take profit when they reach 50% of the max profit. So if your max profit is $300 and your max profit is the amount collected up front when you place the trade, the credit received. So a lot of people will close out when the profit reaches $150. So they'll go 50% of max profit and they'll close the trade out. They don't want to take the risk of waiting until the end and the days to expiration and the expiration date. So they'll close it out in advance. What I like to do is I'll let it ride if the IV has not contracted and we haven't profited. But if we profit 50% really quick, I'll close the whole trade out. If we still have a lot of premium left in the trade and we get closer to expiration, that's okay. I'll wait. As long as we're within those short strikes, I'll keep that trade on. Now, if we are tested, I'll roll. And then if it continues through, sometimes I'll close out that trade and recenter in the next monthly option cycle. Any questions? Let me know. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Be sure and hit like and subscribe down below. Download the free options workshop. Leave a comment, ask a question. I answer everyone. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.